front delts. But if I were to do for the same set, just do cable flies, and I don't feel any front delts, what do you think I'm going to do? That's kind of, I don't want to say I have tenets, but that is something that I do watch out for in movements. Like, I don't want to do a movement which activates too many muscles, at least not that much outside of the targeted muscle. So if I were to do, let's think of it, like for triceps, you're not really going to catch me doing close grip bench triceps because I get a lot of chest activation. Now, information, right? I think it's pretty sick just how much you can learn on your own watching videos and like different people's workout routines and whatever else, like YouTube, TikTok, everything. Like that is sweet. You can get, I mean, all the information that's out there. You can grab it, but you kind of have to siphon through all the mumbo. Have you been taking a lot of rest days? Have you not even been lifting? Have you just been repeating the same day over and over and over again? Not really making any kind of progress except for on.